What's up, you clowns? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. I go by MK Fit. Welcome to your Rihanna Super Bowl edition HIIT dance workout. Just quickly, if you haven't taken one of my videos before, welcome. We do HIIT style training, no planks, no burpees, fun, awesome, and in this case, very badass dancing. We have two big rules. We say fake it till you make it, wrong and strong. If something's not working for you, change it, make it up. But the whole point of this is just to keep moving. Okay, guys, we're gonna start with our warm-up and then we'll move into our first HIIT. Let's do this.
Yeah, yo. Yeah, yo. Moon la la. Yeah, yo.
Ready?
Bitch better have my money. Y'all should know me well enough. Bitch better have my money. Lay down, call me on my blood. Pay me what you
Reach
want.
up.
Ballin' bigger than LeBron. Bitch, give me your money. Who y'all think y'all frontin' on?
Good.
Like blah, blah, blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You
Other
just
way.
got a shot. Kamikaze if you think that you gon' knock
circle.
me off the top. Shit, your wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I called a shot.
Good, singles back.
Like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you want me. Don't act like you forgot.
Roll.
Bitch better have my money.
4, 3, 2, hands in your hips. Pop, out, in. 2, side to side.
I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone.
Circle. Other way. Good, hip pulse. Other way. Figure eight. 4, 3, 2, squat down. Up. 2 more. Good, double time. 4, 3, 2,
Want you to make me feel like I'm the only girl in the world.
3,
Like I'm the
2,
only one that you
me.
ever love. Like I'm the only one who knows your
4, 3,
heart.
2, big breath. Good, exhale. Don't worry, we're gonna get into it. Good job, everyone. Okay, I teach you 2 moves, that's it. We alternate between the 2 moves back and forth, very similar to a Tabata. So your move number 1, this is all inspired by the Super Bowl choreography, by the way. So you're gonna give me 2 little like step ball change. You're gonna rock back and forth. 1, 2, 3, and your arms are up in a diagonal, and then other side. 1, 2, 3. And I will always give a low impact option. So if you're struggling with the moves, an easier option will be in the corner, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna pump it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's fast, but see if you can get that squat in there. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's your move number 1. Move number 2, we got this. So you're gonna open and close your legs, but real slow. So we're actually secretly working on these adductor muscles, which are your inner thighs. So on the balls of your tiptoes, in, out, in, out. It's a lot of work. So keep that core nice and tight. And then we're gonna flail your arms over to one side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they're loose. They are ugly, okay? We are not in ballet. That is it, my friends. Remember those rules? Let's have some fun. Ready? We go in 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
As a shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive.
10 seconds.
It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't
You got it.
deny.
Or make it up.
But I
3, 2, and 1.
We found love.
All right, you ready?
This place.
4,
We found
3,
love in
Good job, everyone. All right, we're moving on. You are gonna make a big, umbrella over your head. Okay, and you're gonna pump one knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna rise up on those tiptoes. 5, 6, 7, 8. If you wanna jump, by all means, I will not stop you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it, okay? Move number 2, you're gonna scoop with your arms. 1, 2, and then you're gonna give me a big jump squat. 3, down, 4. 1, 2, 3, up, 4, 5, 6, 7, up, 8. If you don't wanna jump, you're gonna rise up on those tiptoes, okay? And that low impact option will be in the corner. All right, guys, let's do this. Ready?
Good girl,
5,
back.
4,
Take 3,
3, 2, let's go.
No clouds in my stones. Let it rain. I hide the plane and the plane coming down like a Dow Jones. When the clouds come, we gone.
You wanna jump?
We fly higher than weather, and she flies it better. You know me. In anticipation for precipitation, stack chips with a rainy day.
Yes.
Jay, Rain Man is back with Little Miss Sunshine. Rihanna, where
You got it.
You have my heart.
4,
And we'll never be
3,
worlds
2,
apart.
1,
Maybe
and
in magazines, but you
All right,
still
ready?
be my star. Baby,
In
'cause
5,
in the dark,
4,
you can't see
3,
shiny cars.
2, 1,
And that's
let's
when
go.
you need me there. With you, I'll always share.
You got it.
When the sunshine will shine together, told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be your friend. Took a note, I'ma stick it out to the end.
3, 2,
Now that it's
1,
raining more
and
than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under
4,
my umbrella.
3, 2,
Stand under
round
my
2.
umbrella. Under my
You got it.
umbrella. Under my umbrella. Under
You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and
everything will never come in.
All right, you ready?
You're part of my
5,
entity.
4,
Here for
3,
infinity.
2, let's go.
Has dealt its part when the world has dealt its cards. If the hand is hard, together we'll mend your heart.
You got it.
When the sunshine will shine together.
3, 2,
Told you I'll be here forever. Said I'll always be
Here we go.
your friend. Took a note, I'ma stick it out to the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we'll still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella. You can stand under my umbrella.
Get that knee up.
Under my umbrella.
4, 2, 1, and here we go. 4, 2, and 1. Love it.
You can run into my arms. It's okay, don't be alarmed. Come into me. There's no distance
3, 2, 1, and good job, everyone. All right, I'm so excited about this song. Okay, we're gonna stand to the side. You're gonna put your hands behind your bum, and you're gonna Flappy Bird, okay? And you're just doing a little step, a little booty shake, okay? Your arms are gonna flap up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna take the front leg and move over to the other side. 5, 6, 7, and then step over on 8, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, yes. Yeah, there's no technique to it, just have fun with it. Okay, move number 2. You're gonna give me 2 slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna roll back those shoulders. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Like I said, have fun with it. Let's go out with a bang. 4, 3, 2, let's go.
Boy, baby, take it,
Yeah.
Three, come here, rude boy,
Two.
boy,
And one.
come here, rude boy,
Ready? 5,
come here, rude boy,
4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go big.
come here, rude boy,
It's yo DJ Clean.
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up.
Yes.
Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we can get it on, yeah. We can get it on,
2,
yeah.
1,
Do you like it,
and
boy? Want, what you want,
4, 3, 2, 1.
What I want is what you want, nah, nah.
Let's go.
Come here, rude boy, 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 come here, rude boy,
3,
come here,
2,
rude boy,
1.
come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy,
Ready?
come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy,
3,
It's
2.
yo DJ
Let's go.
Clean.
come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy,
Yes.
come here, rude boy, 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 come here, rude boy,
3, 2. Let's go. 3, 2. Yes. Four, 3, 2, 1.
Yo DJ Clean.
3, 2. Finish it off. Good job. I'm disgusting. I love it. Thank you guys so much. You know what to do if you liked this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, because why not? Rihanna, if you see this, please don't block this video. We just want to dance to you. That is it, my friends. Thank you guys so much. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you, well, next time. Bye.